Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
To program a schedule on a Honeywell thermostat, first, ensure your thermostat is in the schedule mode. Press the schedule button. Then use the plus or buttons to set the start time for your desired temperature period. Press next to set the desired temperature for that period. Repeat this process for each day of the week, ensuring you cover all periods you want the thermostat to automatically adjust the temperature. Finally, press Done to save your settings. Programmable Honeywell thermostats allow for multiple daily settings, enabling energy savings without sacrificing comfort.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.